Lecture 1, Probability and Random Variables. So in this lecture, I'm going to provide a concise introduction to the fundamental theory of probability. And probability theory is necessary in order to understand and develop the statistical models that we're going to look at in this course. But more generally, probability theory is also necessary in order to be able to analyse data scientifically. So there's 6 parts to the lecture. First, I'm going to outline the learning outcomes. In part 2, we'll look at the fundamentals of probability theory. In part 3, we will look at random variables and the distributions associated with those variables, the probability distributions. In part 4, I will define the concept of expectation of a random variable, and we'll talk about the moments of a distribution. In part 5 of the lecture, I'll expand the concepts that we've learned in the multivariate setting, looking at multivariate distributions and expectation. And in the final part of the lecture, I will summarise what we've learned. So, learning outcomes. Following this lecture, you should be able to understand the fundamentals of probability theory. You should be able to use probabilistic concepts that we define in the lecture to explain chance phenomena and to characterise the uncertainty that surrounds those phenomena. You should be able to derive the concept of a random variable from the theory of probability and use probability distributions to characterise random variables and to compute the chance of observing the data that we see in the real world. You should be able to define different types of probability distributions for continuous and discrete data and for different types of random process, and you'll also be able to derive expectations, moments and variance in both the univariate and the multivariate setting.